Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for all Keurig coffee maker owners, the Keurig 3-month brewer maintenance kit. This kit is hailed as one of the best Keurig cleaners on the market, and we're going to find out why. Stick around till the end for all the details you need to know. Let's start with what you get in this maintenance kit. It includes 4 rinse pods, 1 descaling solution, and 2 water filter cartridge refills. These components are essential for keeping your Keurig coffee maker in top condition. The rinse pods are designed to reduce flavor carry-over between brews, ensuring that each cup of coffee tastes fresh and true to its flavor profile. They're easy to use, just like a regular K-cup pod, making maintenance a breeze. Regular descaling is crucial to remove mineral deposits that can build up inside your coffee maker over time. The descaling solution provided is gentle yet effective, using citric acid to clean your machine thoroughly. It's recommended to use it every 3 months for optimal performance. By removing mineral buildup, this kit helps improve the taste of your beverages. Over time, mineral deposits can affect the flavor of your coffee. So using this maintenance kit ensures you're getting the best possible taste with every cup. I appreciate how easy it is to integrate these maintenance steps into your routine. Whether you're using the rinse pods after each brew or descaling every few months, the process is straightforward and doesn't take much time. Plus, the formula is odorless and gentle on your Keurig. To wrap it up, the Keurig 3-month brewer maintenance kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to prolong the life of their Keurig coffee maker and ensure consistently great-tasting coffee. With its comprehensive cleaning solutions and ease of use, it stands out as a top choice for maintaining your brewing equipment. If you're a Keurig owner looking to keep your machine in pristine condition, I highly recommend checking out this maintenance kit. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.